Good day, everyone. To continue with the managing knowledge and information, I'll be discussing the intelligent technique as one of the type of knowledge information systems. Intelligent techniques may be used for capturing individual and collective knowledge and extending a knowledge base using artificial intelligence and database technologies. Intelligent techniques captures tacit knowledge using expert case-based reasoning and fuzzy logic. Knowledge discovery is discovering underlying hidden patterns in datasets using neural networks and data mining. It generates solutions to highly complex problems using genetic algorithms and automating routine tasks using intelligent agents. Expert system. Expert system is a knowledge intensive computer program that captures the expertise of a human in limited domain of knowledge. It captures tacit knowledge in a very specific, limited domain of human expertise. It supports highly structured decision making. The human model knowledge is a set of rules called the knowledge base, work by applying a set of if then else rules extracted from human experts. Use as inference engine to search through the knowledge base. In forward chaining, the inference engine begins with information entered by the user to search the knowledge base for a conclusion, while in backward chaining, the system begins with a hypothesis and asks the user questions to confirm or disprove the hypothesis. It requires input from both human experts for defining the knowledge base and knowledge engineers who translate the knowledge into a set of rules. The figure shows an expert system contains a number of rules to be followed. The rules are interconnected. The number of outcomes is known in advance and is limited. There are multiple paths to the same outcome, and the system can be considered multiple rules of a single time. The rule illustrates are for simple credit granting expert system. This figure shows an inference engine works by searching through the rules and firing those rules that are triggered by facts gathered and entered by the user. Basically, a collection of rules is similar to a series of nested if statement in a traditional software program. However, the magnitude of the statements and degree of nesting are much greater in an expert system. Case-based reasoning. Case-based reasoning is an artificial intelligence technology that represents knowledge as a database of cases and solutions. It stores cases, description of the past experiences in a database for later retrieval. It searches the database for cases with similar characteristics to a new case to find and apply appropriate solutions. It relies on continuous expansion and refinement by users. The figure shows case reasoning represents knowledge as a database of past cases and their solutions. The systems uses a six-step process to generate solutions to new problems encountered by the user. Fuzzy logic system. Fuzzy logic is a rule-based artificial intelligence that tolerates imprecision by using non-specific terms called membership functions to solve problems. It is a use-based logic to represent imprecise or ambiguous values used in human or linguistic categorization, such as defining and comparing terms such as hot, warm, cool, or cold, for use in a temperature control system. It provides solutions to problem requiring expertise that is difficult to represent in a form of crisp if then else rules. This figure shows the membership functions for the input called temperature as in the logic of the thermostat to control the room temperature. Membership functions help translate linguistic expressions such as warm into numbers that the computer can manipulate. Machine learning. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence and computer science which focuses on the use of data and algorithms to imitate the way the human learn, gradually improving its accuracy. Machine learning algorithms are typically created using frameworks that accelerate solution development, such as TensorFlow and PyTorch. In an example, an image recognition is a well known and widespread example of machine learning in the real world. It can identify an object as a digital image based on the intensity of the pixels in black and white images or color images. Neural network is a subfield of machine learning. It is a hardware or software that attempts to emulate the processing patterns of the biological brain. It finds patterns in relationship in massive amounts of data that will be too complicated and difficult for human being to analyze. Learn pattern by sitting through data, searching for relationship, building models, and correcting over and over again the model's own mistakes. It uses a large number of sensing and processing nodes that continuously interact with each other. May be sensitive and not perform well with too little or too much data. It is used in science, medicine, and business primarily to discriminate patterns in massive amounts of data. In this illustration, a neural network uses rule. It learns from patterns in data to consult a hidden layer of logic. The hidden layer then processes inputs, classifying them based on the experience of the model. In this example, the neural network has been trained to distinguish between valid and fraudulent credit card purchases. The genetic algorithms. The genetic algorithms is a problem-solving methods that promote the evolution of solutions to specific problems using the model of living organisms, adapting to their environment. It finds optimal solution to a problem by examining a very large number of possible solutions for that problem. It uses adaptive evolutionary conceptual models to change and reorganize components of possible solutions to create viable solutions. It tests their fitness and discard unlikely solutions. It uses processes such as fitness, crossover, and mutation are to breed solution. And these genetic algorithms are useful for dynamic and complex business problems involving hundreds of thousands of variables, such as problems involving engineering, design optimization, product design, and monitoring industrial system. In this figure, uh, illustrates an initial population of chromosomes, each representing a different solution. The genetic algorithm uses an iterative process to refine the initial solutions so that the better ones, those with the higher fitness, are more likely to emerge as the best solution. The intelligent agents. It is a software program that uses a built-in or learned knowledge base to carry out a specific, repetitive, and predictable tasks for individual user, business process, or software application. It is a software program that works in the background with direct human intervention. It carries out specific, repetitive, and predictive tasks. Uses limited built-in or learned knowledge base to accomplish tasks or make decisions on the user's behalf. Are used in agent-based modeling applications used to model or simulate the behavior of consumers, stock markets, and supply chains, and to predict the spread of epidemics. Examples of the application software are email system, mobile computing software, and network tools. Artificial intelligent hybrid system. Hybrid AI system is an integration or the combination of the multiple AI technologies into a simple application to take advantage of the best features of these technologies. It integrates genetic algorithms, The fuzzy logic, the neural network, and the expert system are being developed to take advantage of the best features of each technology. Business hybrid applications are expanding. According to Hitachi, Mitsubishi, Ricoh, Sanyo, and other companies, a neurofuzzy washing machine created by Mitsushita combines fuzzy logic and neural network. A neurofuzzy system being developed by Nico Securities will predict the rating of the convertible bonds. That's all from my side. Thank you so much po.